Hey yo, viewers of YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Leo, and in this video I'll be taking you through how I made 6 figures trading Bitcoin. This will be a full cryptocurrency trading series, and it's your first time watching my videos. On this channel I do cryptocurrency tutorial. I also do market analysis, which I'll be doing during the course of this video. So don't hesitate to subscribe, turn on the bell button so you get notifications of my subsequent videos. And also to my returning subscribers, I'm very sorry I was off. I had a lot of things that came my way, but right now I'm free, and I want to assure you guys this time around you get a lot of value from this channel. So thank you, new subscribers. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and turn on the bell button. So today I'll be taking you to how I made 6 figures trading Bitcoin, starting from January to April. So before we actually just start the presentation, I want to show you guys the market situation. And recently I've been getting text and calls that, oh, Bitcoin is rising, should we invest? And also I've been seeing some of my colleagues talking about Bitcoin, and this week the search for Bitcoin has increased, so we can know, okay, now the bull market is back. Everybody wants to know about Bitcoin. So I'll show you what we should expect as the next movement of Bitcoin. Is it a downtrend? Is it an uptrend? We don't know. So now, for me, this morning it has moved from it actually came down from like 150, 515. Now it's around 5125, and the next movement, because my MACD here is telling me there's still an uptrend movement, and my RSI here is telling me, okay, we can still have a movement, but we should expect something like a downtrend. So I'm hoping to see Bitcoin come back to around 4,006, and if it can find support, then and it should go higher than seeing it around 5,657 then. So those who want to invest in Bitcoin, you can make your decision. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone that loves talking about crypto. So I'm doing this series for people who actually just knew about Bitcoin recently, or you like Bitcoin, you want to earn money from it, you want to know how to trade Bitcoin and make a lot of profit. This video is actually for you. You made intermediate traders, and for those who are making $100, $200 from trading, you can earn a lot from this video. And for expert traders, basically you can leave suggestions, and I'm sure you also learn a lot from this series. So my mission is to take you through the step-by-step procedure from buying Bitcoin to trading it for profit. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are watching my video for the first time, and also turn on the bell button. So what are the tools you'll be needing? You'll be needing a cryptocurrency wallet, the types of wallet, the exchange you'll be using, and also the charting tool. So likes of TradeView, which was what I showed you. I'll be teaching you guys how you can read every movement of crypto, and also how to track portfolios, how to track your profit and loss. So in this series I'm showing you how to use indicators and how you can make trading decisions and set up a trade and exit a trade. So make sure you watch my next video so we can start this series of making profit from trading cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.